I wish there's another way that I can convince you, but I hope this video is going to convince you. This is one of the best vanilla cake I have tasted. It's so yummy, it's so soft. Oh my goodness. It just looks like the vanilla cake just went for like a beauty treatment. It's super, super good. You need to try out this recipe is one. So the first thing you want to do is to sieve your all-purpose flour and corn flour together. Next thing you want to do is to add your leavening agent, that's baking powder and baking soda. Please do check the description box for the ingredient list and measurements used in making this delicious soft vanilla cake. So the next thing you want to do is to add in some salt. So make sure that you level your leavening agent just like the way you see me level it in the previous clip. And next thing you want to do is just want to mix up everything together and set aside. We cook from the soul. No. The next thing you want to do, into your mixing bowl, combine butter and oil. So you can decide to use butter, you can decide to use margarine, whichever one you're using is fine. The next thing you want to do is to add in sugar. But before you add the sugar, just scoop about 1 tablespoon out of the sugar and set aside. We're going to use that later. Then add the sugar into the oil and butter and cream this for about 4 to 5 minutes or until it is light and fluffy. But at interval, just scrape the bottom and side of the bowl in order for all the ingredients to mix well. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, it's good to have you here. My name is Theresa Metoka. Do not forget to hit on the subscribe button. And to my returning viewers, thank you for stopping by. Thank you so much. Thanks for your like, your comment, and share. So you can as well click on the share button and also comment below. Also click on the like button as well. Thank you so much. So once this is light and fluffy, just set aside. The next thing you want to do is to separate egg white from egg yolk. So into the bowl, you want to add your egg white. So just add some vinegar to it and just rinse the bowl with it and throw the vinegar out. So you can decide to use any vinegar of your choice. You can decide to use apple cider, white vinegar, anyone. So just add the separated egg white into there, and the egg yolk, you want to add it into the cream, butter, oil, and sugar. Add the egg yolk one at a time, and at each addition, cream vigorously. Season just right, feels like home. Every bite takes me where I roam. So the next thing you want to do is to add in some vanilla extract and just cream this very fast and then stop. Please be mindful so that you don't over cream your mixture, as this can affect the texture of the cake. So do not forget, do scrape the bottom and side of the bowl in order for all the ingredients to combine properly. Ginger kiss, flavors dancing. So the next thing you want to do is to add the dry ingredients and alternate with buttermilk. Start by adding the dry ingredients and you also end with the dry ingredient. This is very, very important. If in your country it's very hard to get buttermilk, towards the end of this video, I'll be showing you how to make your own buttermilk. It's very, very simple. Please make sure you do not over cream this and do not forget to scrape the bottom and side of the bowl. Like I said, you start with the dry ingredients and then you alternate with the buttermilk. You want to cream this on medium to low speed. Each plate of vibe, each spice a muse. Touch of joy in every bite. Oh baby, life's just seasoned right. Oh, time and wine. Please do not forget to mix this on medium to low speed. I only just increase the speed of the video so that we don't spend so much time on it. So once you're done, do not forget to scrape the bottom and side of the bowl. Like I said, you are alternating with buttermilk, but you're starting with the dry ingredients and ending with the dry ingredients. So once you're done, just set this aside. So into the egg white, you just want to add a little bit of vinegar. So you can decide to also use lemon as well. Just add very little. And the next thing you want to do, you want to mix this until you have a soft pig egg white. So this is where you're going to add that sugar. So just add the sugar bit by bit and continue whisking until you have a soft pig egg white. So just add the sugar bit by bit. As you're whisking, you will add then the sugar until you've done adding the whole sugar. When your egg white look glossy, looks shiny, it just looks beautiful, please stop. You've achieved soft pig egg white. When you lift up your whisk, you can see that it's kind of folded up, so you know that you've achieved soft pig egg white. So just add the egg white into your batter and you want to fold in. So we're going to use the fold in method to mix this. Please do not over mix it. When you see that you can't find the egg whites in the batter, just stop. Please do not over mix this. So you want to add the egg white in 3 additions so that you can easily incorporate it into the batter.
Season just right, feels like home. Every bite takes me where I roam. White plates, gold forks, steam in the air. Fresh rosemary, love in the flare. Pasta.
So once you're done, add the butter into your prepared baking pan. So the next thing you want to do, you just want to tap your pan gently on the counter in order to remove excess air bubble. In order to reduce excess air bubble, I want to bake this in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's depending, this should take about 40 to an hour for your cake to get ready. So your cake is ready when you insert to bake and it comes out clean. You know that you have baked your cake. You can see how beautiful this cake looks. The cake, like this camera is not doing justice. This video is not doing justice to how very beautiful. I have to say beautiful. You can see I thought there was parchment paper on the cake, but there was no parchment paper. That's how the cake looks. The cake looks so amazing. Like it looks so amazing. Without decorating this cake, you can just serve it anywhere. I wanted to decorate this cake, but I'm not decorating it anymore. It looks super, super yummy. I hope you're going to try out this recipe. Please do. It's so soft, it's so yummy, it's really, really amazing. It's very, very nice. You can see how fluffy the cake looks. If you have any question, please do let me know in the comment section. So this is how to make your buttermilk.